Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with group of haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and so beautiful overall ideas of hair styling. Fine hairstyle, wavy curly hair styling, messy hairstyles, so attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And so attractive ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.